Talo falava. Today we're gonna make some spinach palusami. All right, y'all. Here we go. Let's get started. So the ingredients you need is spinach, 2 cans of coconut milk, some salt and pepper, and an onion. All the recipes should be in the description below. So we're gonna start off with cracking open 2 cans of coconut milk here. These got the peel off lids, so it's pretty easier. You don't have to use your knife. Get an onion, pow! Chop up the onion any way you like. I kind of like sliced them up. Get the onions, throw them into the mixture with the coconut milk. Then you want to add your 2 teaspoons of salt. But if you want less, you can just figure out how much salt you want. Get all those little yellow onion peels that fall into the mixture. A little bit of pepper here. And then you just want to get a spoon, stir it up nice, and try to break up all those onions. Just like that, kind of. Then you want to get a 9x13 pan. I got a glass pan. You could probably use a metal one, but I have a glass, so. You want to layer the bottom half with the spinach, half of the bag of the spinach. It's like a 10-ounce bag. And then you want to pour the coconut milk, onions, and salt and pepper mixture. Spread it out a little bit with your spoon there. And then just dump the rest of that half of that bag right on top. And then you want to kind of like you gotta like push it down a little bit because it's kind of like overflowing. Then you just get the foil, slap some foil on that baby, make it nice and tight. And then you just want to bake it in the oven for 400 degrees. And then when it comes out, it kind of look like that, nice and yummy, creamy. Yeah, look at that onions. And then you just want to take a little taste of that. I plated it nice here with some leftover calo and some corned beef. That's some oxen palm corned beef. I think like palm is the best, but that's all I had. So now we're gonna take a dive and bite this spinach palusami. Take a first dip. Now this is so good. I'm telling you guys. You guys will not be disappointed. If you don't have any taro / calo leaves in the area, pick up a bag of spinach. It's so simple and easy to make, straight out of pan. You don't have to use a lot of foil. Look at that. I plated it up with a little bit of the corned beef and the calo. I mean, it's good, y'all. It's nice, keto friendly. The palusami and the bisupo. The calo maybe so not, but we could talk about that another day. But enjoy, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Yum yum.